So Tom rushes to force the yacht to move again. As the engine struggles to move ahead, another meteorite falls and hits the area. The family holds on to each other in fear, and Tom notices that the balls of flame aren't meteorites, they're satellites. Then Ben points at some smoke coming out of the yacht. Tom takes a look and confirms the engine is fried. The wind is starting to pick up, so the family hides inside, not noticing that the compass is going crazy. The yacht starts shaking and Ben falls again, getting hurt in the process. As the waves crash against the yacht, Tom struggles against the wind to get the life jackets from a box outside and brings them to the family. At that moment the power goes out, so Tom moves fast to press a button on the power box. When the lights return, Ben notices that Julia's nose is bleeding. As Julia starts getting dizzy, Cassie runs to the sink to throw up. Tom keeps trying the radio to no avail. Suddenly the family hears a high-pitched noise and the wind gets worse. Julia tries to keep the doors closed, however a hatch still opens and soon the wind is breaking the windows. Tom lights a flare before darkness takes over. The next morning the family wakes up and they're shocked to realize they survived the storm, although the yacht is mostly destroyed. The family goes outside only to discover that all the oceans in the world have disappeared and now the yacht is stuck on land. After staring at the desert in shock, the family tries to think of what to do. Cassie looks for a signal but nothing happens, and Ben plays with two dead crabs. Tom checks the compass and notices that the poles have been reversed. Last time this happened was more than 700,000 years ago. Cassie has a breakdown when she realizes her boyfriend must be dead and rushes to hide, kicking her mother out when she tries to comfort her. While Julia and Tom check what supplies have survived the crash, Ben ties his birthday balloons to a rock to hopefully get the attention of other survivors. Next Tom tries the radio again and gets in contact with a man named Now, the captain of a submarine. His vessel has also gotten stuck on land and he confirms that the magnetic poles have reversed, causing the ocean to retreat and submerge the mainlands. Now hasn't found other survivors and says that most communication systems are down. Since there are occasional systemic movements, he's concluded that the poles will reverse again and the seas could return in a week. Now advises the family to climb as high as possible because things will get violent when it happens. His partner died during the crash and the submarine has room for 3 people. Julia and Tom convince him to save their kids, so he gives them his coordinates. Tom calculates that it'll take them 2 or 3 days to find the submarine, so he tells the family to have a good night of sleep because they'll leave early tomorrow.